start cutting my hair, as I do not use any professional hair cutting scissor. Instead, I just use any type of sharp normal scissor that I have in my home. So let's start with the cutting procedure now, as I will cut just above the hair tie like a horizontal position. As you can see that up to this much I have cutted my hair. Now I will repeat this procedure for the second time to trim off any excess hair, if I have, after this cut. Again, by combing and making a low ponytail, I follow the same steps like before. After bringing the second hair tie up to this position, now I will trim off the excess hair. As by using the same scissor, I will trim off the excess hairs. So that's it, I am done with my first step of cutting off my back hair. Let me show you from the back that how does it look now. As you can see that just following an easy step I have achieved this perfectly straight cut look of my back hair. But I don't want to keep my both corners this much straight. Rather than I would like to have a little edge to both of my corners like a U-cut. So to get that edge cutting, I will partition my front part here up to my lower ear area. Now after combing them, I will tie a hair tie below the level of my chin. And now I will start dragging the hair tie towards to the down. So up to this much I have brought down my hair tie. Now I will make a cut just above the hair tie. So up to this I have cutted my hair. Again by combing the hair I will follow the same procedure to trim off the excess hair. Now I will just take off the hair tie. As for the final touch, now I will equally divide my back hair and will bring to the front from both the sides. And again combing them nicely, I will tie a hair tie under the level of my chin and drag it up to the end of my hair. And now I will just cut the excess hair if I have any of it. Now after taking off the hair tie, I am done with my back haircut. As you can see clearly that how my back haircut finally looks. As you can see that I do have a straight cut on the middle, plus both of my corner has little edge like the U-cut. Even I am showing you a still picture of my back haircut. And with it I am done with my back haircut. As my bangs have also grown a little longer, so I'm planning to cut it too, though I have already made a video of my bangs cut. This may be helpful for them who haven't watched that video. By taking a rat tail comb, I will separate my hair just above the edge of my eyebrow. I am taking here semicircle shape of my front middle hair. After it, I will wet my hair by spraying some water on it. Now I will divide my hair into half to measure the thickness. As I do take up to 1 inch of my hair, which I measure by my finger. As I am a right-handed person, now I will twist it towards my left. Remember, it will be a tight twist. As I do cut it under the level of my lips. Now by using a sharp small scissor, I will cut it horizontally. Then again, after combing it, now I will cut it in vertically, as this way you will achieve volume into your bangs. And this is how my front bangs look like. So, these are the ways I follow to cut my back and front hair. Hope you liked it. So if you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So bye and see you next time.